Hey everyone! Welcome back to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook profile picture from your account. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. After deleting your Facebook profile picture is immediately removed from your profile. This means that it will no longer be visible to anyone on Facebook, including yourself. And after you remove your photo, a default placeholder image will replace your profile picture until you upload a new photo. Remember that your profile picture will be removed from all other places where it appears on Facebook. Once you delete your profile picture, you cannot undo the action. However, you can always upload a new profile picture later if you decide to do so. To delete your current Facebook profile picture using a mobile app. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile. After opening the Facebook app, tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. If you are using an iPhone, you can find this menu icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on your name to access your Facebook profile. On the profile picture page, you will see your current profile picture, cover photo, and your information. Now, from your profile page, tap on your current profile picture. After that, a pop-up menu appears on the screen. You will find a button called View Profile Picture. Just tap on that button. Now, your profile picture opens on full screen, and from the top right corner tap on three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with options to edit a caption, save to a phone, and delete a photo. Now, select the option Delete Photo from the menu. After that, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to remove your profile picture. Now, tap on the Delete button to confirm the removal of your profile picture. Your profile picture will be removed, and a gray circle will appear in place of your profile picture. You can add a new profile picture by clicking on the Change Profile Picture button again. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box.